Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this package which is a moving head operated animation projector, which I think that it's nice. You can use it at parties and everything. You can control it with an application, which I think that it's great. You can fine tune any kind of animation that you wanna use, which I think that it's great. You can use it with a sound control operation unit, which I think that it's really nice. This is the proper main unit, okay? It comes really well protected with lots of foam. You can use it with DMX controls. You get the input in here and the output in this side, and where the power cord goes comes also included. I have it right here. I'm gonna connect it right now. And what I think that it's great is that you can connect it to an application in your cell phone, so that way you can set any kind of animation that you want. And in any case that you have to hang it or something like that, you get the scrolling base, which I think it's really good. Okay, you get the controlling buttons right here in the screen right here with the information. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it in and I'm gonna turn off the LEDs. I have already downloaded the application, so I'm gonna see which options I can use right now to test it out, and let's see how it looks. Okay, as you can see, we get different patterns, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, it has different modes. We can use it with different options. Okay, let's see. You can choose from different ways to display some design. You can get it off freehand graffiti, even a text display. You can also select different custom programs or use a preset one. We can adjust the pan and tilt horizontally and vertically, which I think that it's really nice. We can set different programs, and I'm gonna set it up with my cell phone. We can set some animations. We can make a upload of a logo or even some text input up to 100 characters. We can set it with music. We can change all the colors. You can also make some manual doodles and any kind of program sequences of the pre-programmed ones, which I think that it's great. We can set one animation, different animations, which I think that it's really nice. We get different array of how many animations you can use, and we can choose if you want it on a color. I think that it's nice. Or you can design your own unique animation effortlessly. It's optimized for outdoors events as it is IP20 protection, and it operates from minus 20 degrees Celsius up to 45 degrees. Okay, I think that it's nice, the option of the animations. We can select programs, create scenes and everything. Did them. If we're gonna show a design, we can make it right here, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, as you can see, it says draw now. I'm gonna go ahead in here and draw something. This is what I draw. I'm gonna make a little bit more drawings. This high, which I think that it's great. You can make different drawings if you need it, which I think that they are great. We can adjust the tilt to subset. We can place it for an outdoor ambient, okay, with lasers and everything. So as you can see, guys, it's actually really easy to use. You can configure it, as I've said, directly with the application and with different controls to use, different settings to adjust, and different designs that you can send it and being used, which I think that it's really great. Overall, I think that it's really nice. It has some amazing light quality and design. It's really great. I like that you get the application in the manual, so you can connect it easily. It tells you all the information, each step, and everything. Overall, I think that it's really nice, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.